Hi, I'm Guido, the co-founder of Rive. Rive allows creators to add rich, animated, interactive content to their products, while providing open source runtimes to deploy to a wide variety of platforms. With Rive, designers and developers collaborate to make apps, websites, and games stand out with animated user interfaces and hero moments that inform, guide, and engage. Data visualizations that shape narratives around complex information. Animated icons, stickers, and emojis that help convey human emotions across digital channels. Rich characters like assistants, mascots, cartoons, heroes, and villains. 1 year ago, we released Rive for the web, giving everyone the power to create interactive animations in their browsers. But our pro-level designers and developers need the highest quality app and the fastest possible performance. So today, we're excited to announce Rive for Windows Desktop. We use Flutter to build our desktop app for Windows, avoiding the legacy dependencies that come with browser-based platforms. Flutter widgets provide a great starting point for our UI layout management and interactions, while also giving us the opportunity to easily customize the application experience for our specific needs. Flutter provides a truly native experience, with Dart compiled to machine code for each desktop platform, leading to efficient memory usage and low overhead for all CPU operations. This puts the best possible performance in the hands of Rive professionals on Windows desktop and tablet computers. Leveraging Flutter and CodeMagic, we can deploy straight to the Microsoft Store, giving our users a standardized installation experience, easy updates, and confidence in the app's security. Check out this complex file we've got running in Rive for Windows. We have multiple artboards that all have their own animations. We then use nested artboards to create a rich scene. It's running all the separate animations at the same time, but we have more animations in this scene, which we can run in conjunction with each other using our state machine. As this state machine is running, you can see that we can interact with the inputs and make all the various animations and nested artboards react in real time. While it's running, we can quickly pan around the stage, zoom in and out, and even resize the entire window without skipping a beat. This is the power of Rive for Windows Desktop built with Flutter. Look for Rive in the Microsoft Store soon. We're so excited to see what you create with it.